What's up, guys? I'm just gonna give you guys a stupid and pointless video to upload. Uh, yeah, so a couple hours ago, I went to charge my phone, and my phone was at 11%. So I plug it into my charger like any other person would do if their phone was that low on life support. So, um, so I So I put it on the charger, but I come back like 45 minutes later, and I'm expecting to see like 20 something percent, but what I get, 9%. That's right. A charged phone that is connected to the charger goes down 2%. So at that point, I'm like, okay, what's going on? This is not how a charger works. Everyone, everyone freaking knows that. So I try to investigate what's wrong. And maybe it's the charging port. Maybe it needs a clean out. So I cleaned it out. Nothing. Uh, I tried to see if any of the wires were ex- any of the wires were exposed. Uh, Nothing. So I didn't know what else to do except to plug it into my computer. And lo and behold, it actually works.